everybody, hope you're all well. It's only little old me again with another yarn haul. Now back in January what I did was I bought some yarn from a couple of UK companies that I've never bought from before, and today's yarn haul is the wool factory. I've got the wool factory, which is based here in the UK. So I've got my parcel, and it's been sat in my closet because I've had other things going on, and I had quite a few yarn hauls. So back in January, as I was saying, and there I bought a yarn I've not used in over, must be 20-30 years, and I just want to see what this yarn's like. So I'll just get into it. Now I bought this yarn in autumnal colours. I love my autumn colours, and I thought they'd be ideal for autumn projects. And the yarn that I bought is the Hayfield bonus extra value. So let me see if I can get into it. I bought a few different colours, and let's just see if I can get into this. Bear with. Okay, so I really like this colour. So it's nice and soft, and it's a 100-gram ball, and it's called the Hayfield. And I've not used Hayfield, as I said, for about 30 odd years, and I just wanted to give it a try. It is, as I say, it's machine washable and you can tumble dry it. 306 yards, 100 grams, 280 meters. It's 100% acrylic, and it's called Pumpkin. The colour is called Pumpkin. Warm wash, machine washing conditions, dry press, never wet press, which means dry cool iron. 4mm needle, 4mm needle, which is a US 6 or an old 8, and it's an F5 for US, and a 4mm crochet hook. So that colour is called Pumpkin. Really nice colour, isn't it? The other colour I bought, if I can get it out, is a lemon. And it's a different lemon to what I've got, but I just kind of liked the colour. It's exactly the same as the Pumpkin, and don't they look nice together? Which is one of the reasons I bought that. So I bought that, and then the other colours I bought are as I was saying, I bought autumnal colours, and this colour is called Walnut. Isn't that a beautiful colour? It's exactly the same as these, but if I put them all together, won't they make a fabulous blanket or something anyway, autumnal? I might even have a go at doing them pumpkins that were all around last year. So I like to plan ahead, and I think that's my PA secretarial training that come to the fore. And the other yarn that I bought was, this is called Biscuit. Isn't that nice? That lovely colour. So I thought all of them together with a nice green, maybe a nice olive green, would make a nice autumn project. So that's my Hayfield. It is beautiful and soft, definitely wearable. I'll definitely wear that. And so what I want from you is some suggestions for autumnal projects, what I could do. I've got one idea of maybe a throw and doing some of them little pumpkins and have them dotted around my room. That'd be good, wouldn't it? So yeah, oh, and I bought 5 of each colour. So I think they will make, I'm really liking the colours. So let's see if I've got the invoice and tell you how much they were, how much I paid. They were £1.80 for a 100-gram ball, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Very frugal. So, what do you think? What should I buy? What should I make with my autumn colours? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little yarn haul. I will see you all again real soon, and take care. Stay safe. Bye for now.